Welcome back to our channel Marketing Guru. I am Amar and today we are going to talk about everything you need to know about SEO, search engine optimization, and digital marketing. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. It involves making changes to your website design, content, and back-end coding. The goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid traffic to your site. There are two main types of SEO: on-page optimization and off-page optimization. On-page optimization includes optimizing your website's title tags, meta descriptions, and content. Off-page optimization involves building backlinks and promoting your website on other platforms. Keywords play a crucial role in SEO, as they help search engines understand what your website is about. It's important to conduct keyword research to target the right keywords for your business. In addition to SEO, digital marketing involves using online channels to promote your products or services. Social media marketing is one aspect of digital marketing that can help drive traffic to your website. Content marketing is another important strategy, where you create valuable content to attract and engage your audience. Email marketing is a powerful tool to reach your customers directly and keep them informed about your latest offerings. Pay-per-click advertising is a popular digital marketing technique, where you pay for each click on your ads. Analytics and tracking play a crucial role in digital marketing, as they help you measure the success of your campaigns. Social media analytics can give you insights into the demographics and interests of your audience. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. Building a strong online presence through SEO and digital marketing can lead to increased visibility and business growth. Now that you have a better understanding of SEO and digital marketing, you can start implementing these strategies for your business. Remember, it takes time and effort to see results, so be patient and consistent with your efforts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on SEO and digital marketing.